SUI could retreat 5.8% tomorrow, based on Traders Union projections. But first, let's take a quick look at what's happening right now. At the moment, SUI is showing a 1.8% decline since yesterday and trades close to $0.8363. Here come the analysts' daily predictions. Coin price forecast projects a price of 84 cents by June 4, which amounts to a rise of around 0.6% from now. CoinCodex believes SUI may approach $0.8314. That's a decrease of about 0.4%. CoinLore highlights the outlook for dropping to $0.822, a potential decrease of 1.5%. A separate outlook from Traders Union points to SUI moving lower towards $0.7863, a projected loss of roughly 5.8%. And to end, CoinDataFlow forecasts $0.7718 by tomorrow. That's a fall of 7.5%. This one shows the best potential return. We've gone through 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's see what comes next. Now we move from forecasts to their expected performance. Looking at the forecasts as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decline of 7.5% and a rise of 0.6%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, CoinDataFlow leads with 7.5% gain in value by June 4. To sum it up, you could net between $4 and $75 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, CoinCodex has the most dependable forecast, showing a 95.5% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Based on the consensus view, SUI may drift towards $0.8103, reflecting a 2.9% loss. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus picture places the price 2.9% below current levels. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $29 in return. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 85.9%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. Coin price forecast highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. A bearish stance is reflected in CoinCodex's forecast. Meanwhile, CoinLore expects SUI to head lower. Additionally, Traders Union points to a bearish path. Similarly, CoinDataFlow signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Looking at the forecasts together, the consensus reflects a negative trajectory for SUI. The overall message is that most forecasts lean bearish for SUI. 5 forecasts for tomorrow were published 2 days ago. Tomorrow has come and gone, so here's how they performed. As a result, the day's market action settled at $0.8084. 3 out of 5 analysts correctly predicted the move. The most accurate forecast this round came from 30 rates. Time to analyze the results piece by piece. 4 forecasts landed within the candle. Speaking of ROI, multiple predictions turned profitable, and the best return stood at 1.7%. Up next, the results view. A clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. As for 30 rates, the data shows 1.7% ROI and accuracy. See who managed to anticipate the move best. Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. In the latest forecast comparison, SUI stays below Render, which projects 7% return. At this point, SUI is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. If this breakdown saved you time on research, a like would be the best thank you. Have a good one.